In this video, I will show you how to add friends to your private server in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Roblox. So once you're on Roblox and you're logged into your account, what you want to do is click onto the game that you want to invite your friends to the private server for. Alternatively, what you can do is come to this menu on the left hand side, click onto inventory, and from your inventory, if you come to this menu and look down towards the bottom, you're going to see private servers. So if you hover over this and then click onto my private servers, this is going to display all your private servers. So to add friends to any of your private servers, what you want to do is click onto the private server first of all. So for example, my private server on Bloxfruit, as you can see, it's just down here. Now what you're going to want to do on your private server, if you come to the right hand side, you're going to see these three dots. If you give this a click and then click onto configure, what you can then do is add people to your server by clicking this button here, and you can go ahead and search for people by their username. So you would just type their username into here and then click add once you've found them on here. Or what you can also do is come down to the bottom and you're going to see a private server link. So what you can do is click the generate button down here. What it's going to do is actually generate a server join link, and if you click this copy button here, you can go ahead and send this to your friends on Roblox, or you can send it through something like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, and when they click onto that link, they're going to be able to join your private server. Now on this screen as well, you want to make sure you've got these two switches turned on to allow join-in, so to allow people to join your server. And you also want to turn this switch on for friends allowed, so that your friends are allowed to join your server as well. So that is how to add your friends to your private server in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.